Hi Aquarius, this is your tarot reader Ursheen and welcome to my channel The Magical Aura. So this is the monthly reading of June 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. This is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you, but if it resonates, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be updated about my latest readings. So let's start with your June predictions. So let's see what's June 2020 is bringing for my Aquarius. Sorry for the coughing. Okay, so at the back of the deck it's the World card. So a completion I can see over here. We will elaborate what the meaning of the World card in detail. Okay. So let's see what are your current energies in June. King of Cups, emotional, in love, very mature kind of energy. This is very good, intuitive energy. Okay, so what is crossing over this energy? King of Rods. All right. What's on your mind? The Devil. What are your past energies? The Magician. What is the reason of the reading? Four of Swords. A lot of negativity is around you. I can feel that. What's the future bringing? Temperance. What do you want? You want Nine of Pentacles, independence. And what are the people around you are like? The Death card. Okay. So what are your emotions? Your emotional energy is kind of not very good. You're being more practical than being emotional. Final outcome is the Knight of Rods. We got 3 kings from the out of 4 kings in the deck. We got the 3 kings over here only. Okay, so King of Cups, King of Rods and King of Swords are here. A very action oriented energy which I can see, as Aquarius is an air sign itself, so a lot of action is there. I can see over here as well. Okay, so we will clarify the cards first. Let's clarify the World card. What is this World card? Okay. Knight of Swords. So there's a process which I can see here, and a lot of negativity is around you, but you want independence. You want something which actually benefits you, which benefits your inner self. And whatever negative energies which were going around you, it's almost the energy, it's almost the completion of that. It's coming to an end, and whatever you wanted, it's going to become successful. You wanted balance, you wanted patience in your life, you wanted your aura to be very clean and very much in a lot, not so much of work around you. You just want patience in your life, you want peace. So which I can see it is going to come, but your present energies are not so patient. Okay, so your present energy is the King of Cups and the crossing over is King of Rods. So just listen to your intuition. A lot of intuition is coming to you, a lot of emotional energy, very mature kind of energies are there, but you are not feeling the way because there are 2 crossing overs. It's like 2 energies which are crossing each other. One is telling you to be passionate, do what you want to do. And one is being emotional. No, I cannot do, my heart is telling me to do this, but your passion is something else. So your heart and your passionate energies, they are actually crisscrossing each other. So we'll see what is this King of Cups telling us. Ten of Wands. Okay, a lot of pressure, a lot of stress I can see because of some emotions. You are dealing with some kind of past things which happened in your life. And what's this King of Rods then? Just a second. Okay, so it's Five of Swords. Oh my god, so much of action. What's happening, Aquarius? So much of deception is going on, so much of stress going on in your life. Your present energies are very stressful, I see. You are like, there is some kind of attraction towards something which is not long lasting. If you are dealing with some love relationship, it's just an attraction. If you are wanting to switch a job, or you are wanting to switch your career in something, you see passion in something, but it's not actually what you see. Okay, so let's see what is in your mind. The Devil. Page of Swords. Yes, a lot of action, seriously. So you are like, I cannot do this, I want to do this, I am attracted towards this, I cannot do what I want, because there is, it's that kind of energy where you are feeling like something you like a lot, you love some person a lot, you like your work a lot, but you are not able to satisfy all your needs with that job. You are not able to you want to do a lot in your life, but it's not fulfilled with just that job. That is why you are attracted towards some other things in your life. And those things, I'm telling you, with this Page of Swords and this Devil, those things are just the attraction. It's just you are getting attracted towards them, and the reality is far more different. Let's see the Magician in the past energy. Okay, so you went towards some energy, towards something which was not actually good. There was some manifestation in your life. You found some things which were very attracted. You found a lot of attraction in this energy, in this new person, but that person didn't give you a lot of love, what you wanted. If you were attracted towards a new job in the past, it didn't give you what exactly you needed. It gave you more of a stressful life instead, and that is why you want to go, and you understood that. That is the main thing. Your emotional energies, which I can see, they are just off. You are not in anymore, in your love emotions are not that much, but you are thinking more of in a practical manner, and you want to be independent in life. You want, because of all this which was going on, you just want to leave everything back and move in a direction, move to a life where you can find peace and balance in life. That is why you are thinking, you are dreaming about your life, because you were the one who chose something which was not good enough for you, but now you know, your intuition is telling you that no, it's not for you. This particular job or this particular person is not for you. You have to be single if you want to be happy. Okay, because this person or this job, whatever you are dealing with, the situation, it's like the end, it's finishing. So what's the Temperance in the future energy? Okay, Queen of Cups with the Seven of Pentacles. Yes, this is telling us that just listen to your intuitions. The time, it will take time. You have to do a lot of work, but if you want to come over this energy, you have to listen to your intuition. You have to work a lot. It will take time, but just think practically and don't go so emotionally. Just listen to what your mind is telling you to do, because your happiness is in your hand. Okay, so let's see what is this death, the people around you. 10 of cups with the page of cups. Okay, so you thought that this new beginning will give you 10 of cups, will give you the fulfillment, the happiness. You thought that this person was the one, or this job is the one which with which I can explore the whole world. I can travel wherever I want to do, wherever I want to go. But no, it's just it's just a mask basically. It's just an attraction. You were attracted towards these things, but the reality is that it's not the full happiness. Okay, let's see the King of Swords. Yeah, you want a new beginning, you want new life. That is why now you have understood that it's time to take the decision from your mind rather than your heart. You have seen a lot of things in past. You have gone through everything, every small thing. That is why you have finally decided that being single is much more better than being mingled, or being in a job where you are not happily enough. You're not even happy. You're not satisfied enough. It's better to go to a place where there is less money but more of stability, because some, I see that their job during this lockdown period, the job might have, you have lost your job even, or your promotion was delayed. If you were trying for a new job, everything was going in vain, so you couldn't do anything. So that is why you have decided to go to a place where it's much better to go, where the money is less but you are at least satisfied enough. So what's the final outcome? It's King of Rods. 9 of Cups. So this means that there will be a time where you will show gratitude towards the passion, towards whatever you thought. If you are thinking to leave the current job and you want to move forward with your passion, with those things where you find more stability, I think that is a very good option, because I see a lot of good energies, your gratitude energy. You will be more down to earth. You will be like, it's much better than my past work or my past relationship. If you want to go relationship wise, I really see that you are happy to be single, but work wise, I really feel that you want to start something new, and that will bring you more stability, whatever that thing is. It can be anything related to your passion, whatever you want to do in life. Okay, so that's all, Aquarius, from my side for June 2020. I really hope you liked the video. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Bye.